guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again. I hope everyone is doing well and keeping safe and keeping everyone safe around you. Right here are items that I'm going to use for my third mini kit Monday layout for the month of April. We are going to use 2 Kiwi Lane templates I'm going to use because it's out and was on top of my desk here. Scallops 2A. I like playing with this. Scallops is my favorite border. And also we're going to play with the a la carte frame too. So without further ado, let me show you real quick what I am going to play with. I have here the stickers, alphabet stickers from Remarks. I think I bought that from Walmart. And then I have here the Dear Lizzie sticker. I am so loving this sticker. It's so cute. Anyway, this was from Tuesday morning. There's the SKU and the price, and I bought this last year, and I think I bought this sometime in August or September, but it came in around August of last year. And then I have some pieces of scrap. I have a scrap paper here and 2 papers here that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this as the base. And then I have some cute peach paper here. I don't know if you see the peaches. And this was from a paper pad, also from Tuesday morning. And of course, I have here a scrap piece of paper from Kiwi Lane Kit Bloom. And then, not to mention, these are the papers, or these are the pictures that I'm going to Scrapbook. This is my daughter, and she was obviously peach picking. I printed this from my Canon selfie. So I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to cut this paper to 7.5 by 12. So I'm going to start tracing. Notice, guys, the hole of this paper is right dab center. So I already to put that in consideration when I cut this paper down. So I'm just going to take this down just a little sliver so I can trace the template. I'll do the same thing on the other side. To get the measurement of 7.5, what I did was I put my picture down here, and the selfie doesn't cut out a full 6-inch picture. So right here, it's got about a little over, I'd say about 1/8 of an inch. So what I wanted was just to have a little of scallop down here. So the scallop from this point from this bottom point is about to the top, to the peak of this bump here, is about 3/4 of an inch. And so I added 3/4 down here, another 3/4 down up here, and to round it off, it came out to 7.5. I hope that explains how I got the 7.5 for this paper. I'm also going to use this for embellishments, so I'm going to trace this down too. So I need 2 of this. It's now time to cut. Just cutting down the strip, the branding strip of this background paper. And now it's time to ink. Okay guys, let's try to see how we're going to lay this out. I want to lay this out this way. And I'm going to lay it down, but I'm going to lay it down lightly for now. And if you notice, I didn't take the glue all the way down there because I do have a plan for this, how I'm going to lay it down, making sure that I'm centering it from this point to this point. And my plan is to insert this over there. And then the plan is to insert this down at the bottom here. So let's see. Like so. Notice guys, it's going out on this side and I haven't even really tacked them down yet. So what I'm going to do here is, let me go ahead and tack this down so it doesn't move around on us. Tack this down right here and then we'll play with the rest of the embellishments. I'm going to center this on this page. And then we're going to take this to here and tuck them in. I'm going to leave about 1/4 inch on top there. And then what I'm going to use is my glue here to tack this down on here for now, so it won't move. I'll do the same thing on this side. And then put glue at the bottom here at the back. Just a line, just so they won't move around. And then finish the gluing down here. And then glue the pictures down so they won't go anywhere. Okay, now it's time to embellish. Up here, I'm going to use this sticker. And as normal, you've seen me do this before. I normally put glue on the back of my stickers just so they'll stay, not go anywhere. And we're going to put that over here. And down here, we're going to put this little cute girl here, because my daughter has some braiding and this girl has some braiding too, so I figured that's a good compliment. Oops, it'll be best if I open the glue. Right there. And then she's definitely, in my eyes, rare and beautiful. She is definitely rare and beautiful. Let's see if there's anything else we can put on here. And yes, she just shines. And I'm gonna put that there. It says she just shines. She definitely does, this girl. There you go. And then for here, what I plan to do is put some small letters here that spells picking. I'm gonna add some more stickers here. There you go, peach picking, and I have some pink hearts here that I'm gonna add more here on this side at the bottom. I see some yellow hearts here too that I can add over here. Just put a little dot of glue there, and then maybe down here we'll use a gold heart here. Guys, I am done. I'm gonna stop right here, or else I'm gonna fill this whole thing with a lot of stickers, so I'm gonna stop. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, creating this layout. I had so much fun, and I hope you had fun watching me too. Guys, be safe and stay safe, please. And that's it for now, and I will catch you guys on our fourth one that we're going to create here in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. And yeah, that's it, guys. I will catch you later. Bye.